Hi, I'm Priyadashini. Today I come up with another interesting recipe called Dal Poli as Ugadi special. Come, let's get started. So today I've taken 20 loaf. I've taken 1 cup of chana dal which is soaked for about 3 hours. So I'm adding the chana dal. Just add half a cup of water. Switch on the stove. Place the secret lid. Set the audio thumb in the soft window for about 2 minutes. You can check I connected my phone as well. While the dal is getting cooked, we will make the outer covering using maida. Here I have taken 1 cup of maida. Add a pinch of turmeric, required amount of salt. Add water and mix this into a dough. Add 2 spoons of oil. Now you can see it has reached the soft window. Press any one of the button for the minus symbol to disappear and reduce the flame. Now you can see the cooking is finished, so we'll switch off the audio thumb. Switch off the gas stove. We'll wait until it depressurizes. Now you can see I've made the dough. Just apply 1 teaspoon of oil so that the dough doesn't get dried up. Let it soak for about 3 hours. The pressure is released, so I'm opening the quick lid. So you can see the Bengal gram is cooked well. So for half cup of Bengal gram, I've taken 1 cup of jaggery here. We need to blend both together in the mixer grinder. Now you can see the dal and jaggery mixture is here. To the mixture, add desiccated coconut or fresh grated coconut. I am adding desiccated coconut here. Add a pinch of elachi powder. Now mix this well. Now the mixture is ready. We will stuff the mixture into the dough we have prepared. Now to prepare the poli, I have taken butter sheet. Apply ghee or oil onto the butter sheet. Take small portion of the dough. Stretch the dough so that we need to keep the stuffing inside. Now take a small ball of the mixture, dal mixture. Now stuff it. Press it to make a small round shape poli. Now let's see how to prepare it in a hot pan. Before that, make everything like how I've shown here. So now to make the poli, I've taken hot pan. Switch on the stove. Now add the poli. Now flip the other side. Apply some ghee. Roast both sides until golden. You can see now the poli is ready.